your hip. You're going to bring your head and ask her to walk forward. Your hands are going to go up and forward, click and tap. Good. Samantha's going to continue around the circle. Come on, Samantha. Okay, now we're going to get ready to change directions. I want you to catch your cross in your outside hand. Inside hand slides down that range. Bend that elbow. Bring that elbow back. Bring this elbow back like that. Because you're going to, remember, you're going to hands back to neutral. Try this again. Try this again. You're doing great. Go ahead, ask her to walk forward. Hands back and forward. Click and tap. Very nice. Hands back to neutral. Catch your cross in your outside hand. Inside hand slides down. Bend that elbow. Bring it back. And turn your belly button toward me. I'm going to help you out. There you go. Come on, Samantha. Nope. She didn't turn. She didn't change directions, did she? She's going to whole hand around that. Bend that elbow. Bring it back toward her tail. Bring it. Nope. No chicken wings. Just bend like that. Okay, make sure your whole hand is on that right. Okay? I'm going to help you out. Turn your belly button in the direction you want to go. Oh, you already turned. Now release those reins and hands back to neutral. Good. There's a lot you have to do to turn a horse, isn't there? A lot. Okay, we're going to change. Now this time, your outside hand is a different hand now, right? Go ahead and catch. We're going to change direction, so go ahead and catch the cross your outside hand. Inside hand slides down. Bend that elbow. I'm going to keep her moving. Turn the belly button toward me. Turn toward me. Good. That's perfect. Hands back to neutral. Very good, Benjamin. Very good. Inside hand's going to slide down. Bring that elbow back towards her tail. Move along, Samantha. She's just saying. And turn that belly button towards. There you go. Good. And now hands back to neutral. She's going in the direction you want her to go. Very nicely done. Look at this. Now you're riding this horse, turning this 1,000-pound horse around. Yes. And he probably weighs like what, like 50 or 60 pounds?
Yeah, like 45 last time we checked. 45 last time we checked.
Okay. So go ahead and change directions. Catch your cross in your outside hand. Inside hand's going to slide down. Bend that elbow. Bring that elbow back toward her tail. There. Turn the belly button. Turn your belly button. Good. Benjamin, you are doing fantastic. Most 8-year-olds, when they're learning this stuff, it takes them like a couple of lessons to get as far as you have gone already, okay? You're doing excellent. All right, we're going to practice a couple of times and we're going to do something different, okay? Because this gets boring, doesn't it? Okay, so go ahead and change directions. Catch your cross in your outside hand. Inside hand is going to slide down. Bring that elbow back toward her tail. Turn the belly button toward me. Turn. Good. And hands back to neutral. Very